Good morning. Welcome to Options Center. Hey, patrons. It's the market prep here. We are looking at ES on multiple time frames, and then we'll see what's going on. We had GDP this morning, and not too exciting. And it was a miss, but I don't see really any reaction. We're probably just waiting for Apple and Amazon tonight to really get because it seems like data doesn't really mean anything. It's all about the big tech companies. So let's see what happens tonight. Let's see if we get anything today. We might even have a setup. Let's go check out the charts. We have the monthly time frame, monthly candle, huge engulfing green candle there. We made all-time highs, a little bit of divergence in the RSI. So, strength getting a little bit weaker, and it's back into overbought territory around the 72 area. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean anything yet until you get a reaction to the downside where the bearish divergence starts to play out. On the weekly, with that weekly time frame and brand new all-time highs, we take this trend line and we move it to the next point down low. And now that is our new macro trend. So it looks like we have somewhat of a little doji candle here on the weekly. We have only 2 days left in the month and the week. So we'll continue to monitor this candle, see if it gives us a sign of a reversal there. We are still testing, still in the same stance. We're making another divergence on the RSI and also with the MACD head to the downside, but retesting the MACD blue line there. So let's go down to the daily. Trend is our friend. We already moved this macro line here. We came back to test the all-time highs, and we're kind of bouncing off of there right now. Let's see if we can actually get through that. If we can't get through that, then we could just keep working our way up, and we'll use this to trade off of. So there's a possibility we might put on some sort of small SPY trade, but I really don't like trading this high. And let's look at the 65-minute chart. We do have a divergence happening again on all the time frames, but we're still in a bullish stance over everything. Hopefully the market's been terrible breadth wise. So underneath all, most stocks are correcting, and the only thing holding up are the big tech stocks. So it's kind of frustrating when you're actually, the market itself is not going down when we have puts and the VIX and things like that. But like Roku, some of our trades are going down. So it doesn't help for the protection that we get used against them. But anyway, we have this channel going up here. We broke down from the channel and we're retesting it right now. This could be a, now I see the MACD is trying to cross back over, and the RSI is trying to get above the 50. So we might have a little upside if we break back into that channel, but it really looks like we might have. If I go to the top here, looks like we're about the 618 that we're rejecting. So this really could be a, let's go from the top of this one, move down. So yeah, we're rejecting off the 618 on both of these. So this could be a 1-2, 1-2, which would give us a pretty bearish. Let's see if we get any movement to the downside today. If we have a 1-2, 1-2, then we should see, my gosh, a big red series of candles headed down here, a little bounce, some more red, and so on. Maybe not that low. That's not what, but we should see some good follow through for a nice big wave one. Impulsive, and a wave two to the upside. So let's see what happens when the market order flow starts coming in, and we'll go from there. But it looks like we have a 1-2, 1-2 setup. The only thing that negates that is getting back above this high right here, 45.77, we'll call it. We get above that, and we're looking at so we have a bearish setup here, just to be clear. So I might add on another SPY put or two for a very near term Friday expiration. So that's a good setup for that. Okay. All right. Thanks. Good luck trading. Check us out in the options guy if you're not in there already. Thanks, guys.